I'm going to show you how to connect your bank to QuickBooks Online. I'm starting with the sample company file. On the right-hand side where it says Bank Accounts, I'm going to click on Connect Accounts. It's going to give me an option to identify which bank account I'm connecting. In this case, I'm going to connect Wells Fargo. It definitely was available in this preview screen right here, but I'm typing it in so you can see what would happen if you needed to connect a bank that wasn't available on that screen. I'm going to choose Wells Fargo Business because that's my bank account. It's going to say, are you sure you want to? It's going to give me a chance to connect. So once I've logged into Wells Fargo, it gives me a chance to identify which bank account I would like to connect. I have two bank accounts at Wells Fargo. I'm only connecting the first one for the purpose of this example. So I've unchecked the second box and I have only checked the first box. I'm going to not check this box, and the reason I'm not checking it is that if I open an additional bank account at Wells Fargo, I don't necessarily want it to automatically connect to my QuickBooks. That may be different for you. You might choose to automatically connect your bank account with your QuickBooks. So we'll click on Continue, and it says, are you sure you want to confirm? And I say, yep, I accept the terms and conditions, and I do confirm. I then choose Connect Account. Wells Fargo is talking to QuickBooks and QuickBooks is talking to Wells Fargo. Right now they're creating a one-way sync where information will download into my QuickBooks. So I'm going to pick my bank account. It says enter account type, so I'm going to choose business checking. If I didn't already have a bank account set up within QuickBooks that I could link to this, I would choose add new and then add my bank account here. So I'm saying, oh, go ahead and link it to the one that I've already created. And it says it's going to pull transactions from 1/1/2019. If I wanted to pull transactions from a different range, I could do that. But I'm going to go ahead and use 1/1/2019 because I want to use that as an example. I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, so it's added the information to my QuickBooks. I have 81 things to review. So on the right-hand side, when I click on this tile, I can see the balance that I have in my bank, and I can see the balance I have in my QuickBooks. I can see that there's 81 things. And when I look at this list, I can see there's 81 things for me to process.